Hello, today we will guide you through set a poster frame for a video in PowerPoint. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to choose the image that appears on your slide before a video starts playing. This image is called the poster frame, and setting it correctly can make your presentation look more polished and intentional. To begin, open the PowerPoint app. Once PowerPoint is up and running, go ahead and open the sample presentation that contains the video you want to work with. This should bring you to the slide where the video is already inserted. Next, click directly on the sample video in the slide. This is an important step because PowerPoint only shows the video-specific tools when the video itself is selected. If you don't see the correct options at the top of the screen, it usually means the video is not selected yet. So just click it again. With the video selected, move your attention to the top ribbon and click on Video Format. This tab contains the tools for adjusting how the video appears on your slide. It's where you can control the visual presentation of the video element, including the poster frame. Now look toward the top left area of the ribbon and click on Poster Frame. This opens the options related to the image that displays before playback begins. The poster frame is especially useful if you want your audience to see a specific moment from the video instead of a default thumbnail. From the poster frame menu, click on Current Frame. This tells PowerPoint to use the frame currently associated with the video display as the image shown on the slide. Once selected, PowerPoint will update the poster frame so that this still image becomes the preview viewers see before they press play. After completing this, it's a good idea to pause and visually confirm that the video thumbnail on the slide now looks the way you want. A clear and relevant poster frame can help your slide feel more professional and can give viewers better context about the video content before it starts. That's all it takes to set a poster frame for a video in PowerPoint. Once you've done it, your presentation will have a cleaner, more controlled look whenever the video appears on screen.